Hello and welcome to another episode of Spare Time Gardening with me, Simon. And now we're in what is now the new patio. But in this episode we're going to have a look at the garden transformation, see how we're doing. So replacing one fence on one side of the garden, some fence panels on this side of the garden, removing the veg patch and all the vegetables and the perennials that are in there at the moment and potting them up so we can use them somewhere else. And then now laying a nice new patio so we can make use of the space behind the garage, watch the sun go down every evening. So as always, enjoy. So today's job is to straighten up these fence posts, reset them and then replace the fence panels, the trellis, with these already painted new fence panels, painted in silver cup. So we're going to replace those. We just need to get the fence panels and posts reset, straightened up, and then we can replace them. And the next task is to set 3 posts down here for the patio area. So that'll be another task that we're going to hopefully try and get done this weekend. So that's the fence posts re-sunk, levelled, and the new fence panels put in. Makes it so much better and a little bit more private. Let's crack on with the other side. So that's the new privacy screen, painted and ready to go in situ. There's one and there's the other one, and they're going to go over here. So I've now got both posts in. Just got to lay that gravel board down, and then the 2 posts are going to go in there. 2 fence panels are going there, and then all this needs digging out because that will be the new seating area. But that's for another day. So now it's the fence in place, the downpipe on the gutter moved. That's where the patio is going to go. Now I just need to tackle this, what was the veg patch. So that's the job for today. With all the plants and weed the veg patch, get the turf up, mark out where the patio is going to go. So let's crack on. So that's the old veg patch dug out. Just need to mark out the patio, dig off the turf, level it up, make it look a little bit more presentable. These are the plants that I've saved. A few perennials in there, I can put in pots. And the gooseberry and rhubarb are down here. And the raspberries just in a temporary home until I get the planters in, and then we'll have some fruit planters as well. So let's crack on and get this patio dug and levelled. So that's a couple of days work. That's the patio now laid, just needs grouting, and then the edge just there with the white chip-ins will now be a border of plants and lights. Then the little gap around this edge will have some slate to finish it off, and we'll have some slate just around the back there just to fill in the void. But looking nice, looking really good. Not a bad couple of days work. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe by clicking the subscribe button, and please feel free to leave your comments and feedback below. I'd love to hear from you, so don't be shy, and of course I'll reply. See you soon.